Gift wrapping can seem intimidating sometimes, but anyone can wrap a perfect gift. I'm Nikki Block. I'm a professional gift wrapper, and today I'm going to show you my go-to simple wrapping method for your presents this holiday season. Let's start by grabbing our supplies, your present, wrapping paper, some tape, a piece of ribbon, and the little elf gift wrap cutter. Let's begin. Measure out your wrapping paper and lay the gift onto the wrapping paper horizontally, making sure there's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches on each side. Once the wrapping paper is measured, use your little elf gift wrap cutter to cut the wrapping paper. Look at that nice straight line. I never need to use scissors anymore. Take one side of the wrapping paper, fold it on top of the gift, and to get that polished and perfect line, create a crease right here, and then we're gonna add a piece of tape to the gift. Now do the same thing for the other side. Fold the other piece over, and to make sure it's polished and perfect, create that crease right here, and then add another piece of tape. And now we're going to wrap the ends of the present. So start by picking one end, push the wrapping paper towards the gift, take the top, press that down, and then bring the bottom up and secure with a piece of tape. Now repeat that same process on the other side. Take the wrapping paper sides and press that down towards the gift, then take the bottom and fold that up, then bring the top and fold that down and secure with tape. Creating a nice crease on these edges will make it look perfect. We are done wrapping the gift, and now I want to show you how to finish it off with a beautiful bow. Take your ribbon. I usually use about 60 to 70 inches when I wrap this gift. Place it under the gift, making sure that the right side is double the length of the left side. This is the trick to make it look perfect every time. Cross the ribbon to opposite sides. Take the ribbon that is now in your right hand and pull upwards. Now wrap the bottom ribbon around the bottom of the gift. Once it is back to the top, thread it through the knot that was created and pull it nice and tight. All that's left now is to tie a bow. I usually do the one bunny ear wraparound, but you can do this however you typically tie a bow. Just be sure to pull it tight at the end. And there you go, a perfectly wrapped gift with a beautifully tied bow. I hope this also becomes your go-to gift wrap this holiday season. That's Little Elf, gift wrapping made fun and easy.